What's going on, Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to reveal an incredibly easy, newbie-friendly method you can use to start to make daily affiliate commissions, even if you're brand new, even if you don't have any tech skills, and even if you don't have any following online. Now, you can see on the screen right here, this is one of the affiliate programs I'm currently promoting. You can see right here, total paid, okay, $25,950. So what I'm going to share with you works. And as you stick with me throughout this entire video, you're going to see every single step of this method. So you'll never have any missing pieces when you go to apply it. Now, before I get into the very first step, I will share, I'm going to include a link directly below. People were asking me, what's the easiest, fastest way to make money with affiliate marketing? You're going to be able to check out a free video to see how. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in right now. Okay, so the first step is we need a product to promote. Now, maybe you already have a product you're promoting, but one place you can go is Clickbank. Okay, now once you go to clickbank.com, all you have to do is go to sign up right here, and you can go ahead and sign up. Now, it's 100% free to join. You just put in your country, first, last name, email address, password, and then continue to terms and conditions, and then you join. Okay, it really takes a few minutes, and it's very, very simple. Now, once you're inside your back office, your dashboard, what you want to do is you want to go to the very top and you want to click Marketplace. Now, once you do that, you're going to get taken to all these different categories of products. So we just want to find a product to promote. Now, I highly recommend you want to pick a product either in the e-business, e-marketing, health and fitness, or self-help. Okay, these are evergreen categories, meaning when you apply this easy and simple method in a second, you're always going to be able to make money in these specific niches and products. Okay, some of these niches, they go away after a certain period of time. So you want to make sure you choose one in one of these. So let's say, for example, health and fitness. So we just click that category. And then on Clickbank specifically, you always want to sort results by gravity. Now, the reason you want to sort results by gravity is this is going to show the top selling products at the top of the page. Now, we want to promote other products that other people are promoting and making sales with, because if we're promoting products that other people are succeeding with, chances are we'll have a good chance of succeeding with them also. So let's say, for example, this one right here. Okay, so all we have to do to get our affiliate link on Clickbank is to click promote and then generate hop links. And then all we have to do is copy this link here. Okay, so now that we have our affiliate link, what we want to do is we want to start to apply this simple method. Now, again, this method's incredibly simple and really anyone can do it. Okay, so the next step, once you have your affiliate link, we want to go to a website called Pexels.com. Okay, so it's actually with an E, P-E-X-E-L-S.com. And what this site does is you can literally find endless free photos that you can use copyright free. Okay, so you can actually go here, and what I recommend you do is you just type a few words that have to do with the niche your product you're promoting is in. So for example, in this case, it'd be health and fitness. So I can type in health and fitness, and then you just want to search that. And what it's going to do is it's going to give you all these free to use photos. Okay, so we just want to find a photo that's, you know, good, eye-catching, looks pretty professional. Okay, so it really doesn't matter. For the sake of this video, I'll just do this one, okay, because the colors are pretty vibrant. And all you have to do is just click this little down arrow, and it actually downloads to your computer or wherever you're actually doing this method. Okay, so once we've downloaded that photo to our computer, now we want to go to the next site, which is going to be how we're going to actually apply this simple and easy method. So for this method, we're going to use Pinterest. Okay, now if you don't have a Pinterest profile, you just go to Pinterest.com. Takes just 5 minutes to create a free profile, and then you can actually go ahead and start posting on Pinterest. Okay, now Pinterest is very underutilized by a lot of people. I actually have, over 5,000 followers, 138 monthly views. Okay, and I have not really focused on Pinterest for a long time. So once you start posting on there, you can really start to generate traffic and leads and sales for a very long time. So once we're on Pinterest, what we want to do is we want to click create, and we want to create a pin. So what we want to do first off is we want to actually upload the image to this pin. Okay, so let me do that right now. Okay, so there we go, right? So once it's uploaded, that looks pretty good. The next thing we want to do is we want to actually put in a title. Now we want this title to be relevant to our product, because the way Pinterest works is when people actually go to the search bar and they start to search in different keywords, different pins are going to show up. So we want to actually use keywords that our target market, our ideal customers are potentially searching for, so then they'll see our pin. So we can actually go up here and we can type in a few words that have to do with the niche our product's in. So for example, I can do health and fitness. Okay, and you can see these are the keywords. Now it's showing us these specific keywords because this is what real people are typing in. So for example, health and fitness tips. Okay, so I could actually use that as the title. So I can do health and fitness tips. Okay, now you can actually make it a little bit more clickbaity by adding a little bit more curiosity inducing text. Okay, so I can be like, health and fitness tips you must use. Okay, so that's pretty good, right? So now what we want to do is we want to just type a few sentences in this little area right here that have to do more about our product and or the niche that we're in. So this is a health and fitness product. So I could type something like, when it comes to losing weight, you really need to understand the right way to do it. There's a lot of misinformation out there, and I finally discovered the right way to do it quickly and easily. Okay, and you can literally use this same text for what you're doing, right? Just modify it based on what niche you're in. And then you could say something like, be sure to click the image to see the #1 way to lose weight fast, okay? Or make money fast, or, you know, get back with your ex-girlfriend, you know, or whatever niche you're in. So again, we have the image that we found on Pexels, okay? And they have literally, you know, 70,000 plus images on here that you can use, you know, without copyright. Then you upload that there, you create a title, okay? That's very key word. You know, it's very good with keywords, right? So people will actually find it. And then we type a little paragraph. And then finally, for the destination link right here, we actually want to add our affiliate link, okay? So we want to go ahead, you know, take that affiliate link there, and then we want to actually paste that here, okay? Now, sometimes it doesn't actually allow you to publish immediately, okay? If your account is brand new, you may have to actually go to a site like Blogger, okay? So this site right here, you can actually create free blogs. You can do a new post, and then you can literally just put the affiliate link there, publish, and then you take the link here. Okay, so I'll share with you here. Best way to lose weight. Okay, so publish, and then I can actually take the link to that post. Okay, so if I go here, I go to the top, I copy that URL, then I could actually put that URL here, so then people will still see it. Then I can publish immediately by clicking there, go up, and then publish. Okay, and then like I said, it's going to start showing up in the search, and people are going to start coming across it over time. So what you want to do is you want to do anywhere from about 3 to 5 to even 10, depending on how much time you have per day. Okay, so just, you know, do a lot of these different photos, and you can test different products. Okay, have it linking to different products, and then after a certain period of time, check your reporting and then see what products actually giving you the most sales, so you can focus more on that one. But that's it. Okay, it's really, really simple. And as you do this, you're going to start to get free traffic without even needing a following. So I really hope you enjoyed learning this powerful and simple method. If you did and you want me to make more of these videos, be sure to click the like button. Also subscribe with the bell icon so you're always notified of my weekly trainings. And last but not least, this is not my favorite way to make money with affiliate marketing. If you want to discover a free video revealing the easiest way to do it in this year, be sure to click that first link below and check out that free video. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.